Hey, my name is Georg and I'm one of the co-founders here at Click-A-Brick. And welcome to the Click-A-Brick Mighty Machines set. This is such a cool set. In this short video, I wanted to show you what to expect when you open up this box at home, as well as some of the cool things that you can make out of this set. The Click-A-Brick Mighty Machines set is a 100-piece set. It's going to come with an instruction manual in there that has step-by-step directions on how to build 10 items that are pictured on the box. On the back of the instruction manual, you're also going to get a breakdown of all the pieces that you're going to get. The addition to the 100-piece set over our 30-piece sets is you get spinners and wheels in these sets. Now, these add motion to any of your creations. So as you can see, the loader over here, the front actually moves up and down, and the digger actually moves as well as the helicopter's blades and the construction robot's wheels. Now, a great feature about Click-A-Brick is that once you build something, it holds together really well. So your child can run around the house, play with whatever they created, and then once they get bored, they can disassemble it and create anything else that they want, which is another great feature. You as a parent can challenge them to create me a cool car, create me a cool plane, and they'll be able to do it and show it to you and hopefully get you to play with it as well. So thanks so much for watching this short video. I really do hope that your child enjoys their Mighty Machines set, and make sure to show us any pictures that you'd like of your child's creation. We love to see those. Thanks.